My name's Leanne Van Dam and I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I serve as the National Director of Australia with my husband and also a sub-region coordinator with the East Asia Pacific. I had the privilege of being part of the initial leadership training when the Lord brought CBS to Australia in 2007. It was the Lord who said, I want you part of this group. And then CBS just came. Fairly quickly I came to love it, and it's been a massive part of my life. Being given the opportunity to be involved on a regional level is an incredible privilege, because I don't just see a little bit of what the Lord's doing in my own country, but my eyes have been open to the global church and to what He is doing in all these different countries and cultures and people, and that is just an amazing privilege. I just see a great opportunity for God to take the people who've migrated to Australia, who are part of CBS, to think, I love this, I want it in my country of origin, and be a contact for that, both in countries that have been well established for many years and new countries. We're working towards establishing national leadership teams rather than just having one person. And so I'm excited for how the Lord is going to lead in that and then use those teams to grow the ministry, because I see it as not just a catching up, but also a preparation for future growth. I honestly think that people who come to CBS and stay, the Lord has touched their heart and given them a hunger for Himself and a willingness to commit to the discipline of pursuing Him through the study of His Word. You get all sorts, mature Christians who know the value of Bible study, and we get people coming in who've never studied the Bible and are literally unwrapping their Bible that they've just bought, but they're hungry to know the Word and to understand. And I love hearing those stories where people are brand new to the study of the Lord's Word. You just see them growing and being transformed. The most wonderful thing is just the unity that we have as leaders, because we're all on the same page and we all have the same call and experience and also vision to see transform lives through the Word of God.